Scrub squishing continues with this Tiki Stick Madness series. Who else should I pick? How about some Ken? Shitty Ken. Olive green? What is color green is that? Oh boy, we got a Shoto Scrubby match. Shitty Ryu against Shitty Ken. Here we go. You ready?
And the battle begins. Fight!
I knew he was going to do that too, but I still fucking fell for it. Aw, tried to be fancy and do a combo. Why would you do that? Why would you just do like dashing uppercuts? This guy has 9,000 points and he's a scrub. He's terrible. Dashing jab uppercut.
Let's pick up the pace. Fight!
Oh shit. How the fuck did that miss? How did that miss? What the fuck is going on? Yes. Dude, he's just doing random uppercuts left and right. What is he doing? You're garbage. Random uppercut madness, this should be called.
Ken wins.
Shoto Scrub Hell. I'm officially there. Shoto Scrub Hell. Alright, to the finals.